Cool, quick little update on the 2002 project. I got the engine pulled out of it and we're getting things kind of going here. I got the car pretty much emptied out. With all the, this is all in the trunk, just extra cross members, which it already has all this on the car. It doesn't have a differential or rear axles, but it appears to have everything we need to get it rolling. I'm moving the wheel now. We got steering here. So that's fantastic. Got a clear engine bay now. Got to get the trans out of there. That's pretty nice. But it's getting there. I mean, I finally got room to walk around this thing, which was a huge battle just on that front. But it's getting there. I'm gonna get the trans out of there, get pretty much everything out of there that I don't need, and start fitting this engine in here. There's going to be some cutting and hacking going on because there's not much room up here at all. But we need that coming in. Looks like the steering box is going to be an issue. That brake booster has to be dealt with. There's no way we're doing that. But it looks like tons of fun otherwise. But just wanted to shoot a quick update video. It's getting there. We're doing stuff.